he wouldn't be choosy. Hashem gives him a shidduch, and everybody has a shidduch. And they are saying in English, opportunity knocks the door. No. What? And you losing the opportunity. No, I want the prettiest girl in the world. That's what Hashem gives you. This is the best and the prettiest and the nicest in the world. No, I want that, I want that. You don't know what you want. Person has to be careful not to sin. Same thing as my girl. She wants the best boy, the smartest boy, the richest boy. So wait till the King of England will come with a white horse and grab you. Wait, still wait. But this is a human nature. A person don't know what he wants. Once you have faith in Hashem, that Hashem is here, and Hashem wants you and loves you and wants to help you and helping you, what do you mean he helps me? You don't think he helps you? Go in the hospital and see how many people lies in bed, attached to oxygen. They cannot breathe without oxygen. They have blood, they give you blood transfusion, they give you intravenous. People cannot survive without. If you can get a blood transfusion, or all kind of instrument. No. Baruch Hashem, you see, I could breathe with no oxygen. I could, Baruch Hashem, go with no wheelchair. I don't need blood. A person looks at that, Baruch Hashem, Hashem is with me, Hashem helps me. So, till you're not going in the hospital, you would not understand the whole brachas that we're staying in the morning. Hashem helped us. But we see with our eyes, we're not blind. We're going with our feet. We don't have to have a wheelchair, we don't need oxygen, we could breathe. Hashem, this is the richest person in the world when they recognize such a thing. But majority of us laughing around, hey, he gave me air is free. What do you mean you're free? Go in hospital, visit sick people and see how they cannot breathe without oxygen. You see many people going with an oxygen tank. Yeah, but this is nothing. So this is litzonas. This calls litzonas. You're not facing reality. Reality is, Baruch Hashem, you could breathe on your own with no oxygen. When a person is simple enough, I don't want nothing, I realize the greatness from Hashem that I don't have to breathe myself. I breathe myself. I don't need no oxygen. This is the richest person. Oshir, says the Medrash, is Ein, Shin, Yud, Reish. Ein means Einayim, Shin means Shinayim, Yud means Yodayim, Reish means Raglayim. This is the richest person. When I have my eyes, I have my teeth, I could eat. And many people want to eat a good sandwich, a salami sandwich. Can I have the teeth to eat? I have no teeth, cannot eat. And hands and feet to go, but nobody wants to recognize this is the Rachmanos from Hashem. So Plishtim was Netzanes. And Hashem didn't want to take him out to Palestine because it was another nature. Then we have that they came till the Yam Suf, the sea of Egypt. And the Mitzrayim, Egypt, ran after the Jews wanted to take him back. The Jews were very, very afraid. Most of people cease, have nowhere to go. Behind us, the Egypt, in front of us, as the water. Right and left to the desert, full of nachoshim, snakes, akrabim, scorpions. Where should go? This is the daily struggle that we have. Person comes in such a way, where shall I go? I want to shidduch. Where should I go? In front of me, water. I should jump into the water. I cannot go back. They are after me. Cannot go left, right. Full of what shall I do? Everybody of us, every human being has this every day. Nobody realized that Hashem could take the ocean and divide it in two and go through. You see, by Shidduch, a very interesting thing. The Shadchan says that Shidduch, the Shadchan that Shidduch. When it comes the minute you find your Shidduch, you didn't know that this will be the girl that Hashem will give you. Therefore, that's what the Chazal says. There are two things that's very hard, like Kriyas Yamsuf. Kriyas Yamsuf was very hard. It's against the nature. The water should split in half. One side water, and you go, and the middle is dry. How could there be such a thing? Till now, we cannot believe there is such a thing. Actually, now we see things that we never understood. In Mabel, a lot of people says, cannot be such a thing. Mabel, the whole world should be flooded with water. We see it now. There are now many countries are flooded with water. So the tsunami was about 2,000 miles long, picked up the water, 700 meter, feet, meter is 3 feet, 700 times 3 and high, and fell on 2,000 miles and covered with water and took them, everything was covered. Till now, people don't know how many millions of people got washed out, cities and that. Everybody saw, whoever had a television, whoever saw it. It was washed out. So we see it for our eyes. We hear many countries now. We saw now in Haiti. And in seconds, 1.5 seconds, till now the digging under the rubbles to find people. We see, we need Hashem, we are in Hashem's hand. And as it happened then, it could happen every day with Kriyas Yamsuf. So the result says two things are very hard for a person, like Kriyas Yamsuf. One of them is Parnose, and one of them is to find a Shidduch. So Rav Nosson, the student of the Rebbe, explains why these two things so hard. Two things a person cannot know. Who will be my Shidduch? And with what will be my Parnose? See, a person goes in school, wants to be a doctor, works very much. And then after he put in so many years to be a doctor, all of a sudden he decides, no, to be a plumber is better.